One goes there. Left footprint, right footprint. Match them up and try to think. Left footprint, right footprint. Walk along a zigzag link. Footprint path goes round and round. Quiet steps, no big sound. Footprint path goes round and round. Tiptoe feet touch the ground. Jump to prints, hop to prints. Little feet do funny sprints. Jump to prints, hop to prints. Balance well and don't be tense. Footprint path, end is near. Last step done, give a cheer. Footprint path, fun complete. Clap, clap, clap for busy feet.